Northern Equipment and Machine has been a member of eBay since 2003. With over 15 years of experience with heavy equipment, our purpose is to provide quality remanufactured and used engines, as well as parts, for skid steers, mini excavators, and forklifts to repair shops, rental stations, and consumers worldwide. When you order from Northern Equipment, we make sure to get your order packaged and sent that same day. We offer free shipping on many of our items and tracking numbers so you know exactly when your package will arrive. You can find everything you need in our eBay store, from engines, turbos, timing belt kits, gasket kits, and more. We have a wide variety of makes and models and are confident that we can get your gear back up and running at top condition. We pride ourselves in being top-rated power sellers. With over 500 reviews and 100% positive feedback rating, we always strive to give the best customer service. You can always contact us by phone, email, or even on Facebook, so give us a thumbs up. We are Northern Equipment and Machine, delivering quality, integrity, and service.